Welcome guys to the HardReset.Info channel. In front of me is Logitech G915 TKL, and in this video I am going to show you how to remove a key from this keyboard. Alright, so to do this you can use key puller, but if you don't have one it requires care. And to do this without key puller, all we have to do is just put our two fingers under the key and we have to just gently pull it to the up. And here is our key. As you can see, nothing happened. That's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!